Markdown files are used to document about the projects that we have created. For example, GitHub projects. Blog sites like Medium and Dev are using it to create blogs. I have created a markdown file called readme.md. If you already know HTML, then you may came across h1 to h6 tags. Like that, we can create headings in markdown file also. Use hash symbol before the heading text and you can change the size by adding hash symbols from 1 to 6 repeatedly. Normal text can be added by just typing it. Normal text allows paragraph text. Bold text can be created by enclosing double stars or double underscore before and after the text. For italics, use single underscore before and after the text. To strike a text, use double tilde symbol before and after the text. Don't give any spaces between the symbols and text. In a markdown file, ordered list and unordered list can be created. Unordered list can be created using star as well as dash symbol. Ordered list or numbered list can be created using any starting number like 1 or 2. Use greater than symbol to create highlighted text like shown in the preview tab. Horizontal line can be created using 3 underscore or dashes. In a markdown file, table also can be created using the following syntax. Use pipe symbol to specify each columns and dashes for dividers. First, the framework is Vue.js and I have added the description for it. Then I have added the React.js framework and description for it also. Program code can be inserted into a markdown file. Code like CSS, JavaScript or bash codes also. Here I am using a JavaScript code and 3 backcodes are used before and after the code. CSS code can also be used inside this area. A link can be directly passed into the markdown editor. Instead, we can make it like a anchor tag in HTML. Inside a square bracket, a text will be placed and inside the braces, a link will be placed. Just like that, image also can be used. Just add exclamation symbol before the square bracket. Placing the image inside an anchor tag is also possible. Combine both these lines into a single line with the minor changes. Make sure that you have given a correct image URL, else all text will be displayed with a broken image thumbnail. GitHub has recently released a feature that allows users to create a profile level README to display on their GitHub profile. Let me show you the demo for using this feature by creating a repository in my username. Now, GitHub is showing that I have found the feature. Then, I am adding a description about this project. Make sure that this project is a public repository. These are the constraints that I have put by GitHub. I am initializing a project with a readme.md file and adding a license to it. To clone this repository, we need to copy this URL and paste it after git clone command. This project will be fetched from the GitHub remote URL. To learn GitHub commands, watch some YouTube videos or official documentation. You can see that GitHub is initialized the repository with readme.md file with some commented stuffs. Now I am going to edit the readme file with some greetings and the stuffs about me. Now I am currently planning to make a TypeScript course from scratch and then I will make a advanced Deno tutorial. Now I am adding my YouTube channel image linked to my YouTube channel URL. If you don't understand the syntax, kindly use it to get a better understanding. Scrimba is a website where you can edit the program code in the tutorial video also. Scrimba is an amazing website and kindly watch it. Now I am going to commit all these changes and push it to the GitHub repository. If I see my GitHub profile page, I can see that profile level readme about me. If you like this video, make sure that you have subscribed to VLANs Hub.